Welcome! In this video, we'll explore useful English words that start with the letter J, from Jack to Justice. You'll learn their meanings, Spanish translations, and common collocations. You'll notice some notes with the symbol in the examples. This means they are related or interesting words that appear in the examples and include a short comment or explanation to help you understand their use better. Let's get started. Jack, a tool for lifting or a playing card. He placed the jack of spades on the table during the poker game. Learn English vocabulary with poker cards. The four suits are hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades, and the face cards are Jack, J, Queen, Q, and King, Tay.
They had to use the car jack to lift the vehicle and change the flat tire. The headphones won't work unless you insert the jack plug properly.
Jackpot, a big prize, especially in gambling.
She hit the jackpot at the casino, winning a fortune.
He hit the jackpot and won $10,000 in the lottery. Let's take a closer look at the word jackpot and see how it's used in everyday situations and figurative expressions. She hit the jackpot with that new restaurant. The food was amazing. Finding an apartment in this neighborhood was like hitting the jackpot. He really hit the jackpot when he met his business partner.
Landing this dream job felt like hitting the jackpot for him.
In the phrase, landing this job felt like hitting the jackpot, the word landing means to successfully get or achieve something desired, such as a job, role, or opportunity. It is a figurative use of the verb land, not related to airplanes or literal landing. Jam, fruit spread or crowded situation.
I love spreading strawberry jam on my morning toast.
Traffic jam. Many cars stuck on the road. We were stuck in a traffic jam for over an hour on the highway.
The traffic jam made me late for my meeting.
Janitor, person who cleans and maintains a building.
The janitor cleans the school hallways every evening. She thanked the janitor for fixing the broken light in the office.
The mop is in the janitor's closet. Jeopardy, danger of loss or harm. The hikers were in jeopardy when they got lost in the forest.
His career was in jeopardy after the company discovered the mistake.
Jerk, rude person or sudden pull. He was acting like a jerk when he ignored everyone's suggestions.
I can't believe he called her a jerk just because she didn't agree with him.
A sudden jerk is a quick, sharp movement that happens unexpectedly. The bus stopped with a sudden jerk. He woke up with a sudden jerk. The car jerked forward. Join, to become part of or link.
Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? They decided to join forces and start a new business together. He decided to join the chess club to meet new people with similar interests. The school encourages all students to join at least one club. The two roads join at the main intersection.
Join in, to take part in.
Why don't you join in and sing along with us?
To sing along means to sing at the same time as someone else, usually following the words of a song. Everyone at the party was singing along with the band. The kids loved to sing along with their favorite songs. She was hesitant to join in the conversation, but finally gave her opinion. Join up, to enlist or combine. We'll join up at the coffee shop before the movie starts.
The two teams decided to join up for the charity event.
Joint, place where two things meet. Joint account, Bank account shared by two.
They opened a joint account to manage their finances together. He visited the new joint for lunch and was impressed with the food. After the accident, he experienced severe pain in his knee joint while walking. Yoga exercises can help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness in your joints.
Journal, personal record, or periodical. Journal, a record of experiences, observations, or ideas. Can be personal or professional and doesn't have to be daily. Diary, a daily record of your personal thoughts, feelings, and experiences. I write in my diary every night before bed. Example, diary. Dear diary, today I felt really happy. Journal, journal entry. Observed unusual behavior in the experiment today.
She kept a journal to document her thoughts and experiences. The journal included articles on the latest scientific discoveries.
Journalism, profession of reporting news. He studied journalism in college and is now working for a local newspaper.
Journalism plays a crucial role in keeping the public informed.
Journalist, person who reports news.
The journalist interviewed the president for the evening news.
She's a dedicated journalist, traveling the world to cover breaking news. Jovial, cheerful, and friendly. She has a very jovial personality and makes everyone feel at ease. To feel at ease means to feel relaxed and comfortable, without worry or stress. He felt at ease with his new classmates.
The jovial mood at the party made it a night to remember.
Joy, great happiness. She felt immense joy when she heard the good news.
The children's laughter filled the room with joy.
Joyful, full of joy.
The joyful celebrations continued late into the night. His joyful expression was contagious, spreading smiles to everyone nearby.
Nearby means close in distance, not far away. There is a park nearby. She lives nearby. Judge, official in court, or to form an opinion. The teacher always judges fairly when grading exams. Grading exams means looking at students' test papers and giving them scores or marks based on their answers. The teacher spent the evening grading exams. I get nervous when the teacher starts grading exams. When talking about exams and evaluations, there are several common words you should know. Exam or test refers to a formal set of questions to check a student's knowledge. Assessment is a more general term that includes exams, projects, presentations, or other ways to measure learning. Grade or mark is the score a student receives on an exam or assessment. Quiz is a short, often informal test, and assignment is a task or project that contributes to a student's evaluation. Understanding these words will help you talk about school and learning more clearly. She was invited to judge a competition for young artists.
The judge listened carefully to both sides of the case before making a decision. She worked as a judge in the local court for many years.
You shouldn't judge someone without knowing their story. Judgment, decision, or opinion.
The judgment was delivered after a lengthy trial.
Her quick judgment helped him avoid a difficult situation. She showed sound judgment in a difficult situation. Juggle. To throw and catch or manage many things. It's hard to juggle work and personal life sometimes. He can juggle 3 balls at once without dropping any. She has to juggle work, family, and her studies every day. Juggler. Person who juggles. The juggler amazed the crowd with his incredible skills.
At the circus, a talented juggler performed with flaming torches.
Junkie. Drug addict, or someone obsessed with something. The movie shows the struggles of a junkie trying to recover from addiction.
He's a junkie for classic cars, always fixing them up and selling them.
Fix. To repair something that is broken. I need to fix my bike. Fix up. To repair and improve something, often making it look better or ready to use. He fixes up old cars before selling them. Tip. Use fix up when you want to show restoration or improvement, not just a simple repair. Juror. Person on a jury. She was chosen as a juror for the criminal trial.
The juror was dismissed after admitting to having a conflict of interest.
Jury. Group that decides in a trial. The jury deliberated for hours before reaching a verdict. Reaching a verdict means the jury, or judge, makes a final decision about the case after considering all the evidence. After a long discussion, the jury finally reached a verdict. It took the court 2 days to reach a verdict.
The jury was made up of 6 men and 6 women.
Made up of, composed of, formed from different parts or members. The team is made up of 5 players. The committee is made up of teachers and students. The sandwich is made up of bread, cheese, and ham. Justice, fairness, or legal system. Justice is blind, and it should be applied equally to everyone.
The lawyer fought for justice for his client, hoping for a fair trial. She worked hard to do justice to the case by presenting all the facts. The judge felt he had to do justice to the victim's family.
Great job! Now you know new English words that start with J. Keep practicing and watch the next video to keep growing your vocabulary. See you next time!